it's like relationship things.
Yeah, yeah. I think I can say that 90-100% of songs in Brazil is like about relationship.
Yeah, same in Indonesia. We
Okay.
love heartbreak song.
So,
We got hurt a lot.
okay, I can guess. So you like those things from Korea? What's the name? Dorama, K-pop.
K-pop.
You
Yeah,
like
yeah,
it?
right. Um, I was.
Not anymore.
Um, I didn't like it that much now, but yeah, I do like it a lot back then. When I
Okay.
was like in high school.
Okay, because I have some friends, girls, and they love that. They always talking about, oh, have you watched that app?
In my country, have one problem. Well, for example, you want people, you're going to jail, but you can write one document. You're going to war. You and you get a pardon.
Okay, okay, okay. The things work like that in your country. If
Yeah.
someone like involved in crimes about they write out like a document, go to the war. I mean, they join to the army, right? In your country.
Yeah, yeah. You join to army. You're going to. You get a pardon and.
I used to play when I was
Okay.
younger, but I quit because I found it too hard. But let me give it a go.
Okay, I think you are better than me playing. I have no
Not
doubt.
good at all.
I have no doubt about that.
You were definitely better than me.
No, no, no. I'm just
I
learning.
can't even play a full song.
My mainly instrument is guitar. I'm just trying to learn because
That's so
piano
cool.
is a dream for me.
Yeah. Hold on, let me find out how to turn this thing on.
Oh,
Okay.
great.
Let me get into Just Dance.
Please.
Hold on. Let me clear my disk out of the way. Because, all this stuff. Ooh, okay. I have to play it backwards.